Hello.
Hello. All right, this is our new series called Remodel Your Thinking. And so we're going to remodel the way you think about remodeling. First thing we're going to talk about today is whether or not you should supply your own materials on your remodeling project. So, Mike, what do you
Yes.
think? Should we
To supply or not to
supply their own
supply?
appliances, plumbing fixtures, lighting fixtures? What do you think?
Well, that's a wonderful question, Molly. Thanks for asking. Obviously, it's a question we get a lot these days. You can buy almost anything off the internet. But typically, we do not like clients to supply their own materials. Some examples. Appliances. New appliances typically require different kinds of power, different kinds of plumbing. If you supply appliances, you're responsible for having them shipped here, making sure they're in good condition, making sure they're stored, making sure they're installed. If we're getting new cabinets, we got to make sure that they fit in the cabinets. So there's quite a bit to it, and of course we don't warranty that. So you have to look at all those aspects.
That means that you have to be the manager on that part of the project. And with appliances, if you're getting new cabinets or even existing cabinets, we have to make sure that they fit exactly with the cabinet. So the cabinet maker needs to know the model of the appliances and the dimensions and all the specifications. So if you're willing to do all of that and inspect it and make
Manage
sure
it.
it gets delivered and that it's ordered on time, then
We typically
supply
don't.
your own material.
We typically don't have clients supply their own materials. Sometimes people want to paint. That's different. That is after basically we're done, because painting's one of the last things done anyways. So we're sometimes acceptable to, but in general, we do not want clients to supply their own materials because it doesn't make sense.
So many things can go wrong.
So that's how we feel about it.
Yeah. That's if we were to do the work. We can't speak for anybody else, but if we were to do the work, then we highly recommend that you go through us, we make the purchase, but we will work with you on all the selections. So we'll pick out exactly with you what you want to have in your project. And then we do the busy work, and you don't have to worry about it, actually. So that would be the answer to that question. So if you have any other questions you want to know about, then just let us know, and we'll add it to our Remodel Your Thinking series. And that's it for today.
Thank you.